Got it. Okay, we'll wait for 5 more minutes and then we will start. Uh, okay, whoever has joined the meeting, can you just type hi so that I can see that you are in the meeting, or whoever is also joined from the YouTube, can you just say hi in the chat box? Excellent. Okay. Okay, we'll start now. So let me share my screen. So we will start creating the project first. So let me create a project, new project, and let's say it's a Java project. Okay, how many of you are using Java in your day-to-day work? You can write down in the chat, or you can write down in the YouTube. Meanwhile, let's create a package. And I will create a first class. Okay, let me see how can we manage the Q&A. Probably it should be here. Manual testing only currently, but now trying to shift to automation. Okay, fantastic. So initially we will start with brainstorming sessions on the while loop. So let's start with the while loop. So I will just give you a simple program. You can just write down what will be the output of this current program that I'm writing down. So let's say I'm starting the integer I from 1. Let's say while loop. I'll just use I less than 5, and then I'll just try to print value of I. Okay. So anyone can guess like what will be the output if I run this program? So what is the output for the current program? Okay. Infinite loop printing 1. Okay. Harish 1. Okay. So Harish, will it print 1 only, or it will print infinite time? So this will print the infinite time. Why? Because let's say we start the value of I from 1. It will check the condition 1, which is less than or equal to 5. Yes, 1 is less than or equal to 5. So condition is true. It will print the value of I, that is 1. Again, it will go and check 1 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true. Right. Then again, it will print 1. So we are not incrementing the value of I. That's why it will keep on uh, running in the loop. It will keep printing the value of I, which is 1, but it will never get exit from the loop. So this will print the infinite time 1. Okay. Uh, Excellent. Let me just do I plus plus. Okay. Now, what is your guess? What will be the output? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Let me just write down the answers which we are getting. So the first answer we got, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fantastic. Second answer also we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are gaining some confidence that it might print 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the third answer we got it's 2, 3, and 4. Okay, perfect. So I think that we got different answer, which is 2, 3, and 4. Okay, very nice. Now let's try to see what will be the answer. So initially the value of I, we are starting from 1. Okay, we will check the condition 1. Is it less than 5? Yes, condition is true. 1 is less than 5, right? Then what it will do first? I plus plus. What was the value of I? 1. Now I plus plus, so I value will be 2. Then output will be 2. And then it will do 2 less than 5. Is it true? Yes. Then I plus plus, I will be 3. Then it will print the output, which is 3. Then again 3 less than 5. Yes. Then it's a 4. It will print 4 because I plus plus it will be 4. And then again it will check 4 less than 5. Yes. Then I plus plus 5. It will print 5. The value of I will be 5 as well. And then 5 less than 5? No. Then it will come out of the while loop. The output will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Does it make sense how we got the 2, 3, 4, 5? Perfect. Excellent. Okay. If you find out any of your friends who has not joined, you might can reach out to them because I got a lot of personal replies that okay, it's very interesting and I would like to join, but yeah, I cannot see them in the meetings. But yeah, if you have any friends and if you know that they already register, you can just um, check with them. Okay, now let's try to take one more example. Instead of I plus plus, I will just use here, let's say I less than, I will make it 10. I will just use it I plus plus here as well as here. Now, what do you think? What will be the output? You can write down in the YouTube chat as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so let me write down the answers that we are getting. The first answer we got it's a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The second answer we got it's a 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Okay, so we got another answer which is 2, 4, 6, 8, again 10. We'll wait for one more minute. I think we got two same answers. Preeti might get confused now. Okay, I guess we have a three answers if anyone still wants to answer anything. Okay, let's try to understand what will be the output. So initially, whenever, let's say, first thing, whenever you get a looping statement, you can just write down or you can create a table like this. So let's say I'm creating a table, the value of I and the output. This will help you to analyze what will be the output. So if you are, let's say, if you are directly jumping onto the program and try to understand by yourself, you might not able to remember everything, right? So it's always good to have a pen and paper, create a table and write down what you are getting, right? So consider an example. Let's say the value of I starts from 1, 1 less than 10. Yes, condition is true. I plus plus I is now 2. Okay, now the output, it will print 2. Then it will do I plus plus, it will be 3. Then again it will check 3 less than 10. Yes. Then I plus plus. So it's a 4. And then it will print the output, which is the 4. Now then I plus plus, it's a 5. 5 less than 10. Yes. Condition is true. So I plus plus. Now I is 5. Did I made a mistake? I think I didn't increase the value of I here. Yes, 5. So 5 less than 10. Condition is true. Then I plus plus, I is now 6, and then it will print the value of I, which is 6. Then I plus plus, I is 7. 7 less than 10, yes. I plus plus 8. It will print the value of I, which is 8. Now I plus plus, it's a 9. The value of I is now 9. Then it will check 9 less than 10, yes. Then I plus plus, the value of I is 10. It will print the value of I, which is 10. I plus plus, I is 11. It will check the condition 11 is less than 10. No, it will exit the condition. The output is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, does it make sense? Perfect. Okay, excellent. Now let me give you another example, which is a little bit more interesting. Okay, can you tell me what will be the output of this program? Okay, we got. Okay, someone deleted the answer. So we got the answer. The first answer we got is 1. The second answer we got it's 5, and the third answer we got it's 5 as well. I think Harish will get confused now. Two answers we got 5. Okay, any other answers? Let me tell you a very interesting fact. A very interesting fact that all the answers we got it's wrong. Now probably everyone has to think like what will be the answer. Okay, Preeti has given the answer, which is in a different way, just like a news, how we are getting news. 6 and then 2 question marks. That means it's not a confident answer, it's a confused answer. It's like 50-50. Okay, should we start solving it together? Okay, excellent. Let's try creating a table. Again, same thing. We'll just create a table having a value of I, and we'll also check what will be the output. We'll start the value of I from 1. We'll check 1 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I plus plus value of I is 2. We don't print anything in the output, right? Then I, which is 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I plus plus, it's a 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, I plus plus, it's a 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Yes, I plus plus, it's a 5. 5 less than or equal to 5, condition is still true. Then I plus plus, it's a 6. 6 less than or equal to 5, condition is false. When condition is false, it will exit the program and then it will come here and it will print the value of I. What is the last value of I? 6. So output will be 6. Okay, and does it make sense? Perfect. Okay, now let me give you one more example. This is little more interesting. So I will just try to print the if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, then I will just print the value of I, but before that I'll make I plus plus. Okay, now what will be the answer? We got the answer. The first answer is infinite loop. The second one is the 2 and 4. So first one, second one is 2 and 4. Oh, third one we also got, it's a 2 and 4. Now it's interesting. Okay, you can also message whoever is watching on the YouTube. I can take your answers into the here as well. So fourth one, it's the infinite. It's interesting. It's a kind of a tie. So we got two answer infinite loop, two answer 2 and 4. Very interesting. Okay, let's try to understand. Again, let's create a table. So I will just use the value of I and the output. So I starts from 1. Okay, I 1 less than or equal to 5 condition is true. Now 1 modulo 2 is equal to 0. No, condition is false. Then it will again check 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true? Yes. Again it will check this one. Is this condition true? 1 modulo 2 is 0? No. Then again it will go and check the loop. This condition will never get true. The if condition will never get true because we are starting I from 1. And I is always 1 because if this condition is not true, we are not incrementing the I from outside. So it's always 1 and it will not print anything but it will get stuck in the infinite loop. So final answer is infinite loop. Okay, does it make sense? So always we need to remember whenever we have to, let's say whenever we are using the loop, we have to use the increment or decrement without any condition. So it has to be here. And that's why we have a for loop so that we don't make a mistake. It's like in one bracket, we just write down the important control structure of the loop, like increment, decrement, condition, and the initialization. Okay, now what will be the output? If I keep it like this, then what will be the output? Okay, we got the answer, which is 2 and 4. The first answer is 2 and 4. The second answer is also 2 and 4. Okay, we'll wait 30 seconds more. Okay, let's try to understand what will be the output. So again, let's create a table. So let's say the value of I and we'll check what will be the output. Always, whenever we are solving the program, until you feel 100% confident, always try to analyze the program, right? Try to create a table, and 100% of the time, sorry, 100% of the time, try to use the pen and paper. Okay, let's say we start the value of I from 1. 1 less than or equal to 5 condition is true. Then 1 modulo 2 is not 0, right? So this condition will be false and it will come to here I plus plus I is 2. Now check the condition 2 is less than or equal to 5 condition is true. This condition also will get true, so it will print the value 2. Then I plus plus now is 3. This condition is true, this condition is false because 3 modulo 2 is not 0. So just it will do I plus plus, so I is now 4. Then 4 less than or equal to 5 condition is true. This condition is true, but this condition it's also true. 4 modulo 2 is 0. Then it will print the value of I, which is 4. Then I plus plus I is 5. What about this condition? 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes, it's true, but this one is false. It will do I plus plus. It's now 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition is false. Then it will go out of the loop. And we don't have any statement. So now the output will be 2 and 4. Okay. Does it make sense? Is it clear? Excellent. Are you guys using the chat reaction from the Zoom? Like clicking on the reaction and clicking on that, or you just do the some kind of like this gesture? Okay, I think I haven't turned on the gesture, but there is a gesture mode as well. So you just do like this and it will do the gesture. You don't have to click even on the emoji. I think that will come under the participant. uh, yeah, somewhere there is a features where you just have to do like this and it will. Okay, perfect. Now let's try to take another example. Before that, let me take one question. How many of you are using AI tools on everyday basis? You can write down your answers in the chat, or if you want, you can talk as well. You can unmute and talk. I'm not sure. Is it allowed to use the AI tools in your current company or not using the AI? Okay. I think, let's see, I'm using to write a manual test cases. Ah, that's a great thing. Using ChatGPT and Copilot. Excellent. Okay, writing a manual test case, that's the interesting use case. Probably uh, it will give you more help. But yeah, it's a great use case. I also use multiple AI tools, but we'll talk in a separate sessions. What are the AI tools and for which purpose we are using that? Okay, but one of the example, let me share. So I wanted to create one of the website, and I was looking for the developer, and I had a specific requirement that I want to create my website either in the Angular or React. Okay, so I was looking for the developer. So I have provided a requirement. I contacted couple of developer, and they have given me the sample, like sample website. But looking at the sample website, I didn't feel that I want this kind of website. I was not getting a good design, right? So I started exploring AI tools. And anyone know any AI tool name which will help you to design the website? I just wanted to experience like how or what tools available in the market and what can we do with that. No idea on which tool we can use to create the website. Anyone heard about the Emergent, the tool name called Emergent? No. Okay. So there is a tools called Emergent, and I was started exploring it. I think that was on a Saturday, last Saturday. So when I invited multiple developer, I also got the estimation from the developer. So every developer, the minimum rate I got it's a 20,000. The maximum I got it's just like 35,000, right? And I really wanted to create a website. So I thought first let me explore the AI tools and let me show you the website that I designed. I think for me it took around 4 hours to design the website, and let me show you the design of the website that's AI created. This is not created by the developer. So this is the website I recently created. So you can see the design, the look and feel. Also, interesting part, some of the content like this content it's not my content, it's just designed by the AI only. uh, But yes, this one definitely I provided. But it was very interesting to see what AI can do in just like 4 hours. So this is a design that AI created, which is very interesting. I was super impressed at particular point, and I was even shocked that this kind of website can be designed by the AI. Um, it's little bit shocking as well, uh, with respect to the future. And whatever prompt I was giving, it was immediately designing with correct color combination and everything. I wanted to say like next batch start on 4th November, and you can see the design, minimal design it has created, plus the WhatsApp icon. This one is right now we have a made with emergent because I haven't hosted on my server. But yes, I'll host in 1 or 2 days. But after that, you will not see this one. But right now you can see there is a WhatsApp icon. If you click on that, the WhatsApp will open. All the icon, the look and feel, responsiveness, I have checked in the mobile as well. It's very good. So I think probably in future, it will be like the demand will be like whoever can use the AI and use the AI efficiently. Because I have spent 4 hours, but let's say if I can use it efficiently, if I upgrade myself regarding the prompt, I might have done this one in 1 hour, right? So what is the matter, like 4 hours versus 1 hour? It's just a matter of 3 hours only? No. When you take a 4 hours, that means you have provided a multiple prompt, right? And when you use more prompt to design this website, it will cost more. So if you just use lesser prompt, and if you give the accurate prompt to this AI tool, then it will just design as per your expectations in a minimal credit, right? So for me to design this website, I have utilized 100 credits. I think 100 credits cost around $20. So I paid around $20 to design this website, but it's still a way cheaper than what developer was quoting, right? But yeah, some of the developer can just design this similar website using the same AI tool in 50 credits. So there is a saving of 50 credits. The future will be the return of investment will be calculated something like this, like how efficient you can provide the prompt. Okay, perfect. This is one of the example that I wanted to share. Let's get back to the programming things. Let's use the for loop now. I'll just use the for loop, and let's say integer starts from 0 less than 5 I plus plus, and I'll try to print the value of I here. I'm just commenting it out, but yes, I'll remove the comment when I will execute. Now, if I have this program, consider that we don't have a comment on this line. What will be the output in that case? Okay, today's session, we will just keep it for 1 hour only due to lack of participant. But in future sessions, we will do exactly 2 hours. Let's say how many participation we are getting. So based on that, we'll increase the duration of the sessions and the content as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After I uncomment this line and then I will execute, you have to tell me what will be the output. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the first answer. The second answer is 4. The third answer is 5. And the fourth answer is 5. Okay, we have a good varieties of answers. Let's try to see what will be the output. Do you want to hear the interesting facts? Yes. I think you know the interesting facts, what I'll going to tell. All the answers are incorrect. Okay, now what will be the answer? Println should be inside. That's actually, I want to keep it outside. That's my requirement. I should be out of scope. Okay, so Manikanta and Preeti. In this case, what should be the output? Let's say it's inside this. Sorry, outside the for loop. Or there is a option as well, whether it will give compilation error or runtime error, or it will give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 or 5. Compilation error from Preeti. So I think previous answer was 5. That will be like compilation error. Harish, null. So again, let's say it's a null. I like when we get varieties of answers. That means definitely we will going to learn something. Okay. Any other answers? What about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Who has given that? Manikanta. You want to change your answers? Okay. So right answer is compilation error. As Manikanta said and Preeti said that I should be this statement should be inside. Why? Because the scope of variable I is alive in this for loop only. If you go outside and try to print I, then the Java compiler say like who is I? What is I? So if I uncomment, and that's why I commented, because I knew that compilation error, and if I will do like this, you will get the answer, right? So here the value of I is undefined, and in Java, when the value of I is undefined, it will give the compilation error. It will not give you the null. It will never give you the null. Okay, it's undefined. So this one is compilation error. And what is the error? The value of I or the variable I is cannot resolve the symbol I. So bring I into the scope. So what will be the suggestion it is giving? That keep your I outside the for loop. Declare the I outside the for loop and initialize inside the loop. Something like this. So declare it outside, initialize inside, and then I can use I here because now the scope of I is inside the main method. So here you can execute use the I because it is declared at the method level. You can use inside the for loop as well as outside the for loop, but inside the main method. Okay. Okay. Does it make sense why it was giving the compilation error in this program? Excellent. Okay. Perfect. So now I think we will wrap up this session here with the number of examples we have done. I hope it might be helpful for you to at least quick start your programming journey. Right. It will help you to brainstorm. It will help you to understand the different programs. Right. If we keep doing that for the different concepts, let's say today we have taken the while loop, we have taken the for loop. Still, there are a lot of different questions and the concepts we have to brainstorm here, right? Then we will navigate to the arrays, then we will go through the collections, then we will see the exception handling, right? Object oriented, it's a separate part. There is a definitely much more we can do with the object oriented. But yes, once you do this kind of brainstorming, it will help you to develop your mindset as a developer, as a programmer, right? It will improve your analytical things, right? So keep doing that. Let's see, based on the interest, we will organize our next sessions. I think on the poll, we got like 20 people said yes. On another group, around 17 people were said yes, but I think we didn't see that many attendance. So let's say in the next sessions, if we get attendance, we'll continue this journey. But I hope you enjoyed this session and feel free to reach out. And yes, share the feedback in the group. Like, how was your session? How was your experience with these sessions? Okay, that will actually motivate others probably to join from the next time. Okay, perfect. Thank you, everyone, and we'll see you probably in the next sessions. Thank you.